keep getting so confused about what day it is, what time it is. It's like noon on a Sunday, and I feel like it's like 5 p.m. on a Monday. But we've arrived in San Diego. I've got a fun travel partner with me for this business trip, so that's exciting. And checked into our hotel a little early, grabbed some lunch. I had a really delicious vegan enchiladas, and now we're having some coffee. Cheers. Just had vegan sushi. Changed my life a little bit. Vegan cream cheese, vegan tuna, vegan all the things. So good. Highly recommend. Good morning. Ignore all the trash behind me. This hotel room is already a mess, but we are going to check in. It's Monday morning and we're gonna go grab our badges. I think there was an earlier speaker check-in yesterday, but since Norris is attending as well, I figured we could just do it together, and he's obviously not a speaker, he just has like the regular all access pass. So we're gonna run over and do that, grab some breakfast, come back because I need to get today's video up, which you will have already seen. So a week ago, I edited it all, but I need to do a final walkthrough, a final watch through rather, make sure it's good, create a thumbnail, get that uploaded. And then at 1 o'clock, I'm supposed to have a meeting with a brand. So I'm really excited to meet with them. But let's go to the conference. I don't know if I mentioned this, but Social Media Marketing World I've actually never been to this conference, but people over at Social Media Examiner put it on. I was on their channel earlier this year to talk about video content repurposing, and I hear it's like a really good conference. This is always the one when I worked in corporate that we like begged to go to. I never got to go, but I hear it's a really good one. So it does mean a lot to me that I'm able to speak here, that I was invited to speak here, because it's kind of a big deal. There's like so much representation from, you know, companies all over the world, really. There was a group yesterday that just posted that they just made it in from Tokyo. Another person coming in from Portugal, like all over the world. So super, super cool. And just really excited. Obviously, you guys know me. I'm also nervous. I'm anxious, but it's gonna be a good time. Got a very nice card. Thank you. I got a V-neck, a water.
Those are so good.
All right, well, they're yours. And some nuts.
Also good.
Ooh, and I actually love this. I'm probably gonna chug this like the morning of. And my schedule. And I'm excited to have a t-shirt because I barely brought any like casual clothes. So let's read the card. I'm not going to read it aloud because it's personal. Ooh, thank you.
Yep.
Aww. This is so nice. There's like actual personal signatures from all the people, like all the volunteers, I'm guessing, or, you know, the main people who run it. That's so nice. Yay. All right. I think I just had the best breakfast of my life. I've never had sriracha in my life, but it was a just egg, vegan, Italian sausage, sriracha, kind of potato, kind of scramble vibe, avocado, so freaking good. But we're walking back to the hotel now and gonna get a little bit of work done and then come back for, I did get confirmation of my meeting with the brand. My hair it's done. It's not cute anymore. It's cool. I'm just gonna have to deal with it. But we were just talking a little bit about imposter syndrome, and one of the reasons that I'm nervous is not that like I don't do this, you know, I do talks all the time. I know I'm capable of doing it, but there's a lot of other like important people here who like some people who I've like looked up to for years, you know, on YouTube and elsewhere, and I'm feeling a little bit of imposter syndrome, like why am I here? But Norris has been life coaching me on the walk. That's why we bring him. Anyway, as I was saying, what was I saying? Oh yeah, but I was just like, I was invited here for a reason. You don't need to be like other people. You literally just need to be you. Like that's why you were asked to come here. So I keep telling myself that, and I'm sharing this message for you if you need this as well. If you ever find yourself in situations, I used to deal with this a lot in like the agency world, like running my business, like, oh my gosh, I'm talking to this client that's this huge client, or they have all these employees, or they have this beautiful office, why am I here? And it's like, they reached out to you for a reason. And sometimes your best is more than good enough. Like that's why you're here, you know? You don't have to try to be like them, try to emulate them, try to make yourself seem larger, try to lie and say you have a staff of 20. No, they like you, so be you. Apparently, the president, as well as the Prime Minister of Australia and England are here today, just to see me speak. No, I'm just kidding. I'm joking. That was their motorcade, somebody's motorcade. We don't know. Kind of cool.
The fan from the CPU.
You don't think that's on purpose?
No, that's the fan from the CPU.
Oh. I love California because they have like these indoor, outdoor malls, but also like it's kind of cold. Oh, and do you want to take a selfie? Like, why is this a thing? And why is it only on you? Where am I? We should just leave it here. Yeah, just leave it for somebody.
Just leave it.
I'm scared. No, I'm just kidding. I am. I'm a little nervous. Do you wanna say hi to my vlog?
Hello, it's Kylie from Australia.
I'm meeting friends, so I'm feeling good.
She's gonna do great, y'all.
And we have a first-time presenter here, a new voice here at Social Media Marketing World. I am super excited. She started out on YouTube 10 years ago, actually producing beauty content, and now has pivoted to share marketing and sales advice with us. And we are so lucky to have her here. Give it up, give a warm welcome to Latasha James. Latasha James, woo! Come on up.
Thank you. Is this thing on? We good? Okay. So excited to be here for my first time at Social Media Marketing World. Are there any other first timers out there? Okay, a lot. All right, I love it. I love it. Yeah, super excited to be here to talk about video content.
We have one mic here, and we have one mic over here. Please, if you have a question, line up at the mics.
Durations are you finding most success with in long form and short form right now?
Ooh, good question. Not a great answer is that it depends. It really does depend. My answer is always, I would rather you say what you really need to say than focus on a time limit. Right. Do we have time for this last one or no?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
Hi, Latasha.
Hi.
One thing that I've seen a few content creators or marketing coaches talk about for short form videos is the method of uploading the same video more than once.
I think there is definitely value in recycling your content, like using it over again. And I've definitely done that with,
Instagram in particular, because it just moves so quickly. I haven't personally played around with uploading like multiple times in a day. That seems, I don't know.
Aggressive.
Yeah, it seems a little aggressive. But I will also say with that, with deleting short form, be careful with that, because I have had surprises. Like right now I have a TikTok that's going like semi-viral that I posted months ago.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Great questions. Maybe one more.
Yeah.
Just one quick question.
Talk over. Completed successfully. I met so many amazing people who told me that they watched the YouTube channel. I try to get pics with everybody, but thank you to everybody who came up to me and said hello, took a picture. It honestly made me feel so much better ahead of my talk, really put me at ease. So huge thank you. Yeah, to everybody who said hi, and it went really well. I had a lot of people say that they took a lot from it, that they were writing down notes, had a long line of people waiting for questions after, so I feel so much better now. And now I just ordered some Uber Eats to the room. I'm gonna eat that, and there's a party that starts at 8, so we're gonna go out and party for a little bit, probably not long, but just want to say hi to everybody and show my face, as they say. So in between now and then, actually, I've got some tax stuff to work on, super sexy. So gonna get that yucky stuff out of the way so I can just relax for the rest of the night and the rest of the trip, really. Okay, how cute is this branding? I got like an avocado burger, and these are supposed to be like animal fries. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Believe it or not, I've only eaten In-N-Out once ever, and it was amazing. And then I went vegan like the next year. So I was like, I want this again. So we'll see how these stack up. What are you doing? Did you enjoy the safari party?
Yeah, it was cool.
He wouldn't sing karaoke with me though. And then he only started singing karaoke when Brian McKnight came on the frickin' party bus.
Brian McKnight wasn't a choice. Okay.
We don't know because we didn't ask.
He was at the club. I'm not gonna sing Brian McKnight at the club.
First time I've been to the club in probably since the last time I had to go to a club for work, which was like a few
that's
years
the
ago.
name of a future song, Brian McKnight at the club.
Anyway, time for us olds to go to bed. Take a long shower.
Old to go to bed. I could have stayed out, but somebody was tired. Mark, somebody was tired.
Whatever. It's the last day of the conference, and we were here bright and early at 9:30. It was a mess outside, raining, windy, so like I looked way cuter, but we're just working with what we got. But I just did a very exciting podcast interview. So excited to share it with you all when it comes out with the Think Media podcast. That was very fun, and I wore white. You know, did something daring. You all know I'm a black clothing girly. Guess how long it took me to get something on my shirt? I don't even know what this is. I honestly think it was lipstick that flaked down, and then I was trying to pick it off, and it. This is why we can't have nice things. So I'm actually doing another podcast interview at around 11, and so I'm gonna have to just like not look as cute and hold my blazer closed, but. Anyway, just getting a little bit of work done. I think I'm going to start pre-editing this vlog that you're watching right now. And then we'll do that. And we've got a nice dinner reservation tonight at our favorite vegan place here. So much good vegan food in San Diego. Norris, how are you feeling?
Coffee.
You're feeling? Do you want to go get coffee?
No, I'm
There's
joking.
coffee in the keynote room, I think.
Yeah, I know.
in the speaker room.
I'm just messing. Feel good, man. Feels good, man.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yep.
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 He looks like he's a hostage, but okay.
I'm having a good time, and Latasha won't tell you this, but she did a fantastic job at her talk yesterday, and she did absolutely amazing, and people love her, and I knew she would do great, but she did even better than I thought she would do, and it was fantastic. So I'm having a great time because I'm seeing Latasha be fantastic, and that's always a good thing.
Thank you for that inspirational moment. Norris really is my life coach, I'm going to be honest. You guys think he's one thing, but he's actually just my life coach. Do you think people have live-in life coaches?
Somebody does.
Somebody does. This is like totally unrelated, but have you guys seen the Teal Swan documentary? I feel like that is kind of that situation where she had like live-in life coaches, like her employees were like her life coaches, and like also her partner. You guys should watch it if you haven't seen it. I wanted that documentary to be like 20 hours long. It was like 6, and I want like 8 seasons of it. But anyway, bye. Good morning. We are heading out. It was a great trip overall, and I just wanted to say that I thought it was a really well put together event. I've spoke at so many different events and conferences, and like half the time I felt like I wasn't even welcome or no one even wanted me there, like as far as the organizers. So huge kudos to the Social Media Examiner team, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Comment down below something interesting that you saw, maybe what your favorite meal is that you would like to try. I showed a lot of food. I literally cannot eat anymore. I'm like, yesterday I was like, we have to skip breakfast because I'm just like so full and tired of eating. But that's it. Do you have anything you want to say?
No, I had a great time, a lot of good food, and actually ready to just get back home at this point.
Back to real life. See you next time.